Hello students, welcome to my channel Take It Easy Maths. Myself Ritu Asthana. This is my first video and in this video I will teach about knowing our numbers from class 6 chapter 1. So in this chapter we will know about our numbers कि हमारे numbers हैं क्या. So we live with numbers. हम तो numbers के साथ ही रहते हैं. So how do we know and how could we say that we live with numbers? So think how many times in a day you use numbers. सोचिए कि आप दिन भर में कितनी बार numbers का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. You go to a shop to buy a book, a geometry box, some articles of stationery and a pen. So how do you use numbers there when you make queries about the prices of things you wish to buy and when you make the payment? Do you enjoy using numbers while playing games? India won the match by 60 runs and 3 wickets. Rohit stood first by scoring the maximum marks. Thousands of people were killed in the earthquake. About 25,000 people watched the match between India and Pakistan. The price of the book is rupee 130. More than 100 crore people live in India. So are you not using numbers in all these statements and situations? तो क्या ये जितनी भी स्टेटमेंट्स और सिचुएशंस थी इनमें हमने नंबर्स का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया? यहाँ तक कि अभी तक जो पेंडेमिक चल रहा है उसमें भी जो रोज़ हम आंकड़े जानते हैं कि कितने लोग संक्रमित हुए, कितने लोग हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हुए, कितने लोगों की डेथ हो गई, ये सब कैसे जानते हैं? हम नंबर्स के द्वारा जानते हैं. सो वी कैन से दैट वी लिव विद नंबर्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड नो व्हाट आर नेचुरल नंबर्स. So natural numbers are called counting numbers and counting numbers are also called natural numbers. Now the question is, what are counting numbers? So counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So in previous classes you have learnt about the Roman symbols, Hindi symbols, Hindu-Arabic symbols. So Roman symbols for the counting numbers are these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And Hindi symbols for the counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Hindu-Arabic symbols for the counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So numerals are symbol used to denote numbers. Expressing a number in a numerals is called numeration. तो numerals वो symbol हैं जिनके द्वारा हम numbers को denote करते हैं. एंड एक्सप्रेसिंग ए नंबर इन ए न्यूमरल्स, और जब हम नंबर को न्यूमरल्स में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं तो उसको हम न्यूमरेशन करना कहते हैं. सो आवर न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम यूजेस 10 बेसिक सिंबल्स. व्हाट आर दीज? दे आर 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 10 basic symbols and these are called digits and idea of the place value. Why do we call 10 basic symbols? Because from these 10 basic symbols we will make another numbers, maybe greater or maybe smaller. Like first of all, the first example is for 10. So how could we write 10? 1 and 0 by using. Now if we want to write 45, so how could we write? We will take 4 and 5. After that we want to write 672. So how could we write? 6, 7 and 2. तो आपने देखा कि इन सारे बेसिक सिंबल्स को यूज करते हुए ही हम नंबर्स का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं, नंबर्स बनाते हैं. सो ईच प्लेस रिप्रेजेंट 10 टाइम्स द 1. अब क्या होता है कि इनको तो हम डिजिट्स भी कहते हैं और ये आइडिया ऑफ प्लेस वैल्यू भी है. तो जितनी भी जो प्लेसेस होती हैं दे आर 10 टाइम्स द 1 विच इज इमीडिएटली टू इट्स राइट्स. क्या होता है कि 10 टाइम्स वो क्या होता है? ग्रेटर होता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन द न्यूमरल 44,444 देयर इज रिटन 44,444. सो द फर्स्ट 4 इज द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 1. द सेकेंड 4 इज 10 टाइम्स ग्रेटर देन 1, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड 4 tens. द थर्ड 4 इज अगेन 10 टाइम्स ग्रेटर देन 4 tens, therefore its place value is 400. The fourth 4 is 10 times greater than 400, therefore its place value is 1000. And the fifth 4 is again 10 times greater than 4000, therefore its place value is 10,000. So this is the way that we write place values of given numbers: ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. When we will multiply 10 into 1, we will get 10. When we will multiply 10 into 10, we will get 100. When we will multiply 10 into 100, we will get 1000. And when we will multiply 10 to 1000, we will get 10,000. So I think it will be clear to you. So now will come that how do we compare numbers and how do we order large numbers. So to put large numbers in order, we check the number of digits in them. The smallest having the least number of digits and the greatest having the maximum number of digits. जो सबसे बड़ा होगा उसके पास सबसे ज़्यादा डिजिट्स होंगी, जो छोटा होगा उसके पास कम डिजिट्स होंगे. So in this number, which one is the smallest? 1, 8, 18. Why? Because it has only two place values, only two digits, ones and tens. Therefore, we will write here 1, 8, 18 first. Next, there are three digits number 101, 101, 620, 620. So how could we compare that which is smaller and which is greater? So start from the left. We will see that on the place value of 100 there is 1 and there is 6. So which one is smaller? This one is smaller, 1 is smaller. So we will write here 101, 101 and after that 620. Now we have two numbers having 4 digits and 4 place values: unit, tens, hundred and thousand. Unit, tens, hundred and thousand. So how do we compare? Again we will see, start from the side, start from the left. There is 2 on the place value of 1000 and there is 4 on the place value of 1000. So which one is greater? 2 is smaller and 4 is greater. So after that we will write 2856 and then 4533. Now we have only one number having 5 digits: unit, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. So at last we will write 69,345. So this is the way how do we write, how do we compare and ordering large numbers. After that, successor and predecessor. So what is successor? Successor of a given number obtained by adding 1 to the given number. हमें अगर किसी नंबर का सक्सेसर चाहिए तो उसको कैसे निकालेंगे? जो भी नंबर दिया हुआ है उसमें हम 1 को प्लस कर देंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव 2. सो व्हाट इज द सक्सेसर ऑफ 2? वी एड 1 to it and we will get 3. Now 3 is the successor of 2. Again, what is the successor of 3? 3 plus 1, 4. What is the successor of 4? 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. What is the successor of 5? 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. It is very easy. Now if we have the number 3432, so what is the successor of that? We will add 1 to it. We will get 3433. So what is the successor of 3433? Add 1 to it. Now we will get 3434. What is the successor of 3434? We add 1 to it. 3435. And so on. Now the topic is predecessor. Predecessor of a given number obtained by subtracting 1 to the given number. So what is the given number? The given number is 4. So we subtract 1 from it, we will get 3. If we want predecessor of 19, subtracting 1 from it, we will get 18. So what is the predecessor of 18? 18 minus 1, 17. What is the predecessor of 17? 17 minus 1 is equal to 16. And what is the predecessor of 16? 16 minus 1 is equal to 15 and so on. So these are the small digits. And what could we do if we have greater digits? Means 2362 again. The same process, subtracting 1 from it, we will get 2361. So what is the predecessor of 2361? Subtracting 1 from it, we will get 2360. Again, what is the predecessor of 2360? Subtracting 1 from it, we will get 2359. So this is the successor and this is the predecessor. Again, I will read: successor of a given number obtained by adding 1 to the given number, and predecessor of a given number obtained by subtracting 1 to the given number. So students, now this is the topics of first chapter, few topics. In my next video, I will teach you another topics from the same chapter, knowing our numbers. If you like my video, then like and subscribe it for the next videos. Thank you.